Video 20. How is a random number table used? For the SCT, a random number table may be needed for the following steps. Step 2, identifying a supervision area. Step 4, randomly selecting 20 households. And Step 5, selecting one person to interview. To use a random number table, first make sure that each item, such as a supervision area, household, or segment in your list, is assigned a number. Determine how many digits are needed in your random number. The total number of digits will be equal to the maximum number of items from which you are selecting. For example, if your district has 127 essays, then the random number will need to have 3 digits, up to 1, 2, 7. Step 2. Close your eyes and point to a random number in the table with a pen or pencil. Your starting point is the number closest to where you touched the random number table. Step 3. Read the number of digits required from left to right, starting with the number that is closest to the tip of your pen. If your chosen numbers are larger than the total number of objects you have, try again until you get a number that is less than or equal to the total number. Step 4. If you reach the end of a row before you finish selecting your remaining digits, you should continue from the beginning of the next row. Now, let's try an example. If there are 72 essays in the district, you would need to choose a number between 1 and 72. Because the total number has 2 digits, you will need to read 2 digits from the random number table. Close your eyes and point to the random number table with the tip of your pen. Suppose your number lands here, on the number 8. As you are collecting 2 digits, the total number is 81. This is too high, as you do not have an 81st supervision area to measure. Therefore, you will continue reading the table to the right. Using your 1 from the 81, the next number is a 9. Therefore, your chosen number is 19, which is valid for how many essays you have. You would then select the 19th essay to implement the SCT in. Check for understanding. During what steps would it be important to use a random number table for the SCT? If there is any uncertainty about how and when to use a random number table, please review this video again.